Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It is the 3rd of March 2025. It's around 3:30 here in London, and I'm about to do an update on my portfolio, and I'm going to do an investment as well today. So I was supposed to do it when the market was going to open, after the market was open today, but I didn't get the time to do it. But I'm still determined to invest 3 times a day whenever the market is open. So before I do the first investment of the day, I'm gonna have a look at my portfolio to see what's happening. So as you can see, my general investment account is just under 71,000. My stocks and shares ISA is just under 15,000, but I recently did a £3,000 transfer in, and my self-invested personal pension is just over 800. So at its peak, my general investment account was around £120,000. My stocks and shares ISA would have been around probably around 18,000 pounds, and my self-invested personal pension was well over 1,000. So the market is very volatile at the moment, but this is the best time to buy. Normally what I would have done in the past is just given up on investing, but I'm determined to see this through. I'm determined to actually invest when the market is down and not get afraid of volatility. So this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be buying equal shares of Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia. I'm going to be deploying £100 into the market 3 times a day, and I'm going to do that every day the market is open. So today I'm going to be investing now £33 in Tesla, £33 in MicroStrategy, and £33 in Nvidia. And I'm going to do that in the middle of the trading day and just before the market closes. So I'm going to do that now. So in total, I'm going to be putting £300 into the market every day. So I'm going to put a buy order in for Tesla. So I'm going to put £34 in. So I'm going to confirm the buy. And I'm just putting the order through now. Okay, so that's complete. So that's excellent. The next one I'm going to be buying is MicroStrategy. So before I buy MicroStrategy, I'm going to have a look at what's happening with Tesla today. So today it is up around 2%. Last 7 days, it's down around 13%. And last 1 month, it's down over 20%. Last 3 months, down over 14%. Last 6 months, just over 36%. Last year, just shy of 60%, and the maximum over the last 3 years is just under 500%. So I think what Tesla is trying to do today is trading at 299, is trying to take the $300 mark. So it's just a matter of waiting to see if it does. If it does take the 300, it'll probably start to rise again. But if it doesn't, it will probably return to 270 and then drop down to 240. If it does, I'll just keep on buying. So again, my investment thesis is so simple. I'm just going to keep on buying no matter what. I know that these 3 companies are really good at what they do. So it's just a matter of putting as much money into these companies and just waiting for at least 5 years. So I'm not planning to sell anything within the next 5 years. And if I can hold it for another 10 years, that would be excellent. So that's Tesla done. So let's have a look at MicroStrategy now. So MicroStrategy today is trading around $263. It's up 3%. Last 7 days, it's down 11%. Last month, it's down around 17%. Last 3 months, almost 30%. Last 6 months, up 111%. And last year, up about 98, so nearly 100%, and maximum it's up around 1800%. So again, it's dropped down quite a lot from the all-time highs. So this is kind of like a good time to buy. So I'm going to be buying right now. So again, I'm going to be buying £33 in MicroStrategy. So I'm going to review the order now, put the order through. So it's just going through now. Hopefully it's going to go through without too much delay. So it has done. So that's excellent. So that's another one done. And then finally, I'm going to be buying Nvidia. But before I do, let's have a look at what's happening today. So today it's almost down about 5%. Last 7 days, almost down about 13. Maximum is up around 1600%. So again, what I think is like, it's come down from its all-time high, so it's kind of trading at a discount. But like I said, I'm going to continue to buy. So today it's down nearly 5%. So normally this would have spooked me, but volatility, I'm kind of embracing volatility and replacing discount, the word discount, with volatility. So in my mind, when it's gone down about 4 or 5% and it's a quality company like Nvidia, MicroStrategy, or Tesla, then I'm thinking it's on sale at the moment. So I'm going to be buying as much as I can. So I'm going to be quickly buying Nvidia now for £33. So I'm going to confirm the buy, putting the order through. Yep, and that's gone through. So that's excellent. So I've deployed the first £100 today. So I'm going to be making another video when I deploy another £100. And just before the market closes, I'm going to be deploying another £100. So it's going to be £300 every day, for as long as I can maintain it. And I'm going to try and increase it to £400 a day, then £500. Then eventually I'm going to try and increase it to £750 a day. So I'm working very, very hard at the moment, doing a lot of work, freelancing work, a lot of side hustles, my main job. So there's a lot of things that I'm doing at the moment to get my income up. And then when I get my income, I set some money aside for my household bills, and then set some money aside for taxation. And once I've done that, whatever I've got left, I just invest it that day. So that's all for today. I really hope you like these updates. I hope you enjoy these videos. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I've just got over 1,000 subscribers. It's increasing steadily. My goal is to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So feel free to subscribe and join me on this journey. Join me, and you don't have to invest £300 every day. You can start as little as £1. So this is how I did it. I started investing with £1, then eventually I got it up to £10 per month, and then eventually I did £10 per week, and then it was like £100 per week, and then slowly I just started to increase the frequency of investing. And when I started to increase the frequency, I tried to make as much money as possible. So I made more side hustles, I did more side hustles, more businesses, and I always tried to increase my income. And the reason I tried to increase my income was because I wanted to invest more money into my ISA and SIPP account. So join me on my journey. Start as little as £1, and then slowly start to increase the frequency and the amount, and in no time you'll start to build your portfolio. And do some research on quality companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Nvidia. These are highly volatile companies, but it doesn't mean you have to buy them as well. You can buy like Coca-Cola, Walmart, the ones that don't move a lot, but there is potential for growth, so over the long term. So my aim is to build a $1 million portfolio within the next 5 to 10 years, which is why I'm investing aggressively in highly volatile growth companies. So hopefully it's gonna happen within 5 to 10 years. So that's all for now. I'll be making another video in the middle of the day, so join me then. See you and have a good day.